Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to check if your iPhone is backed up to iCloud. So let's get started. First of all, open the settings in your phone, tap your name at the top or open the Apple accounts. Then tap on it iCloud. Next, scroll down and tap the iCloud backup option. Here, you will see the last time your iPhone was backed up. It will show you the date and time of the last successful backup. If you want to make sure everything backed up, tap Backup Now option. To start a fresh backup, this will save all your data like photos, videos, and contacts to iCloud. That's how you check and back up your iPhone to iCloud. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.